What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Hope you're having a wonderful Sunday. We are back again for another week. Try to make as much money as possible, as always, my friends. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. All right, guys. On the agenda today, we're going to do a market outlook. I'm going to review the one trade a week strategy and profit. I'm going to talk time frame alignment, Tesla short, giveaways. Seminar was a great success. We had it today at 3 p.m. and 5 weeks in a row winners on my live stream. So I'm going to walk you guys through everything and get you ready for the week. All right. Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. Let's do some shout outs. Sadar Sana, welcome to the Trading Wars Army, my brother. Anthony, Dr. D, Trading Wars Army, Candace, Bill, Gus, G-Man, Wesley, Anthony, Ron, Alicia, Terrence, Bang, Trading Wars Army, T-Naggy, what's going on? All right. So let's start off with the market outlook right now, my friends. As you can see, we have opened up on the futures market with a slight gap up right here, and we are trending to the upside overnight so far. So if I take our Fibonacci from low to high, my friends, look at this beauty right here, right in that golden zone 50. We had that hammer bar, and we're pushing. So for those of you who always ask, Rich, can I trade the Fibonacci after hours? Yes, you could see right there, beautiful little hammer taking us higher, Ragnarok taking us higher as well. So the market is trending right now. And let's go ahead and let's discuss the weekly outlook here. Okay, so here we go. This is the weekly chart, my friends. So let me just remove drawings here. As you can see here, guys, we finally had one red week. Okay, we've been going pretty much straight up for the last 2 months. Really much since October, I would say 22. It's been a shallow pullbacks, continuation higher. Will this be another shallow pullback and then a continuation higher? We don't know, but we need to position ourselves in such a way that we can make the most money. And that's going to bring me to the first topic here, the one trade of the week concept. Okay, so I'm going to start here on the 4-hour chart, and I'm going to walk you through the trade that I took last week. So this trade took a few days to play out, but I'm going to teach you something on time frame alignment. Hit me with the 17 if you're ready. Does anybody know what time frame alignment is? Okay, so let's go ahead. We'll start off with the weekly chart. Okay, so we start off here with the weekly chart, guys. Well, we can see if I take a bigger Fibonacci from high to low, you'll see that the market was right in that 786 area right there. Okay, and that is also lining up with the March 22 highs. So how do we play this out? So this is the one trade a week concept that I've been developing, where we're looking for one trade in the week that can make us the most possible gains. So here we go. Here's a 4-hour chart. Bang, bang. So for this strategy, this one trade a week, I'm looking for a catalyst. I'm looking for some kind of significant structure break. On this particular day, guys, this was our FOMC sell-off. So once we have that sell-off, I know that I'm looking to play in the direction of this initial sell-off. Okay, so this was the sell-off here, and I'm looking to play in that direction. So all I did here, guys, took a Fibonacci from high to low like this. And for this particular trade, I'm just looking to short the 618. Okay, and the 618 is right here. And in the Discord, guys, under the SPY swing one trade a week, you will find these plans, and I'll also be posting some live commentary. All right, so here we go. So we got that pullback initially into the 618 right there. Okay, and I went short on this right here on the 618. I had a stop right here at the 90 anchor, and the goal is to make a new low here on the 4-hour chart. And you'll see here, guys, we actually rejected the 786 a few times, and then finally we had this gap right here, and then we were able to push into lows. So I took profits right there on that trade, $3,000 on one contract, and I'm also holding another contract for a potential more fall. Okay, because I do believe, based on this weekly chart, there is some room to go a little bit lower. Okay, hit me with the 10 if that makes sense so far. So $3,000 on that, and then from here, let's continue and develop the new Fibonacci's. Okay, so from here, we had this gap. Okay, so I tried going long on this 272 extension, and I did get a nice pop right there. Okay, so I got a little bit of a pop off the 272, and I killed the position, guys. I ended up taking a loser on this long. I tried to catch this falling knife, did not work out for me. All good. And then from there, guys, what you'll see is here is where we are currently. Okay, So one thing that I noticed here is you see we have a little gap. So the futures market, guys, it did gap down on that reopen on Tuesday. And what I noticed here, if I take our Fibonacci, I'm going to go from high to low like this. Look at this right here, guys. I did not take this one. I'm looking back at the chart right now. I didn't take it because it was Friday going into the close, and I did not want to hold that over the weekend. But do you guys see that perfect 618 rejection? Hit with the 15 if you see that. Absolutely stunning. So that was the Friday high. Okay, bro, your Tesla call from Friday went nuclear. I know. I'm going to talk about that Tesla one. That was one of my best trades of the year. All right. So the question is, what do we do now? All right. So the futures market is open right now. We did make a new low and we are starting to rally. So the immediate short levels that I'll be looking for is if I take our Fibonacci from this anchor down to this low, guys, it's right here on the 618-453-475. This is zone right here. This is the golden zone for the short. I'll be looking for a rally into next week. And I want to see how we react when we get into this zone. Are we going to see rejection? If the bear is strong, it's going to take that touch and rip it down just like it did right over here. So I'm going to be watching that extremely close. That's going to be my first level to look at, but I'm looking for one solid trade next week. Try to make 50 to 100 points on one contract, guys. That's big money. All right. That could be, a few $1,000s. This is one contract here, $3,000 on that short. So if I could run that back again, I'll be extremely happy. So follow the YouTube, make sure you subscribe. All right. So that's the analysis right now. We have this dead cat bounce essentially right now, because you can see this is our after hours on futures. Uh-oh. Can you guys hear me? Hit me with a 2 if you can hear me okay. So here's the after hours on future. You can see that push and that pullback. So we're just really watching to see when we come back in that anchor. We could also use Friday's high right there, which is the level I talked to you about. And we're just going to be watching this golden zone right here, guys. That's the area to watch for the shorts. Okay, everything else for me, I'm just going to relax because I don't want to be involved unless I'm getting a good deal. Okay, here we go. All right, so that's the market outlook. One trade a week, time frame alignment. If you guys are into that, you want to trade one time with, the best setup you can, check that new strategy I have out in the Discord. All right, so now I'm going to show you something, and you guys are going to go crazy on this, okay? So on Friday, we went live and we shorted Tesla. We caught Tesla, guys. Look at this crash here, guys. We caught Tesla for about 300% on puts. So I'm going to walk you through this setup that I took. It's an old school strategy, and then I'm going to show you the recording. And I want to teach you this strategy, guys. This is called the Tweezer top, okay? So we were trading live on Tesla. I'm going to show you the replay in a second. But what I noticed here is, let me scroll down to, I can't remember what time frame it was on. 1 minute chart, or was it the 2 minutes? So let me see right here. I'm on the 2 minute chart right there. So 1, 2. Okay. So let me just go back here to the 2 minute. All right. So here we go, guys. So this concept right here, I'm going to fast forward it here. So this concept right here is called the Tweezer top. Okay. So if we look at the high of this candle is 260.74, this one was 260.75, and this one was 260.73. Okay. So the funniest thing about this, guys, is if you were actually trading live, all three of these highs were the same. So that's what's kind of tripping me out right now. That kind of makes me worried why Tradingview changed the data. But anyways, at the time, all three of these highs were exactly the same, 260.74. So I used this. I shorted below this inverted hammer, put the stop loss at the high of the day, guys. And you can see, bang, just an absolute crazy sell-off. So make sure you're following me on Fridays. I do these live trades, and we've been 5 weeks in a row profitable. The 257.5 puts went from 16 to 400. Excellent. Make sure you guys subscribe and follow the channel, okay? So for the Fridays. But anyways, I just want to show you this. I'm not going to put the sound on, but I just want to walk you through how these trades look in real time. So this, if you see here, guys, you see how these three highs are exactly the same. So it's a little bit worrying to me that Tradingview they changed the data after the fact. I'll have to talk to them about that. But anyways, from here, so what I'm doing is I see the same three candles with the same highs. So I'm going to go ahead and look for a short. Let me go ahead and put this fast speed. Let's do like a 1.5. And the key is to put your stop loss where those tweezers are. So look at the highs on the same high, same high, same high. So obviously you could see a major resistance there. So what I'm waiting for is this candle to turn red so I can take this short, okay? So that's me. I'm just talking through it. So if you haven't watched this, live recording from Friday, guys, please watch it. It's extremely powerful. This strategy is an old school strategy, reliable. So here we go. There's the breakdown into the short, guys. And then you can see there, push down, bang. Okay. So I just wanted to show you that. And that actually became this sell-off here. So really, really nice. Hit me with the 20 if you guys like those live streams on Friday. And what I'm going to do for the giveaway, I'm going to pick a winner from this video. All right. So go ahead and leave your comment on this video and drop a like, and I'll be picking a giveaway winner from that video. Okay. So make sure you guys drop a like, watch the video when you can. All right. Trust me, it's a good one. All right. I also did an Instagram upload here. I want you guys to watch this when you get some time, but this is a live example of Fibonacci. And I just want to walk you guys through the experience of trading the fibs. Follow the Instagram for all of the recordings. This is going to be a documentation of my journey. But here's one of the trades we took recently, guys. I want to show you how the P&L moves on your trading. And what you're going to see a lot is if you stare at this P&L, you're going to get extremely emotional. Hit me with the 3 if that makes sense. Because you're going to see your profit go up and you're going to see it come down. You're going to see your profit go up and you're going to see it come down. And you're going to tell yourself, I need to get out, I need to get out, I need to get out. So one of the main things that I do these days, guys, is I just set the target and the stop loss for some of these trades and just let it play out and walk away from the screen. You don't want to sabotage your profit. So in this case here, I'm going for about $1,100 is my target. And you can see it takes time sometimes to get those bigger targets. Go sideways for a little bit, takes a little bit of time. But this is why I'm doing these recordings here, guys, to show you. So that's 1180. That was the target right there. I just want to show you guys that. Okay. All right. So the seminar today was a huge success. And we had a lot of people. So anyone with the green in their name, Trading Wars Army, it was a pleasure having you. And make sure you guys join the Army. It's $4.99. Just join the Army right here, guys. And you get access to the seminar. And you get access to all these special picks that I post every single day. So right now, guys, let's let the futures play out here. I'm looking for that 618. I'm going to let this do its thing overnight. I'm going to see that 618, see if we can come back there. Instagram, and that's it. So 5 weeks in a row, make sure you subscribe. Winners. The puts that I've been playing on the Fridays have been absolutely crazy. All right. So let's go ahead and let's do a giveaway to wrap this up. Day trading for me this week, guys, was not good. That one swing trade, the big one I took, really helped me to stay profitable this week, as well as that Tesla trade on the Friday. Okay. So right here, guys, let's go ahead and do a giveaway on. Hit me with a 4 when you're done posting your comment. Okay. So if you missed the live seminar, which was today, you'll have access to the next one that's coming up. It'll be in about a month from now. I don't record the seminars anymore just because of people trying to resell them and copy everything we do. So not trying to deal with that anymore. Okay. All right. So here we go. Okay. All right. 22. Okay. So I'm going to pull out the random number generator. Only 22. Not bad. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Number 15. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1 minute ago. Venugo. What's going on, Venugo? I know you're in the chat right now. You must be watching 1 minute ago. Hit us with something in the chat. We'll put you up there, guys. Let's send Venugo some love, guys. Some TW Army Spy VIP. Send some fire. Send some positive energy. Let's crush this week, all right? Let's crush this week, guys. Let's put all of our effort into getting the best possible trading setups at all costs, okay? So don't see him in the chat, but just email rich@tradingwars.com. We'll get you your book and your 1 month for free, my friend. And guys, as always, check me out, tradingwars.com, all right? If you want to come trade with us live every day, it's $49.99 for the Discord sign up, or you can sign up for any one of my 3 books. It's $99.99, and it comes with 1 month for free. Love to see you in the Discord, my friends here. We go live every single day. You can see we have a really good lounge with a lot of people in here. I do live call outs. You can see AMD was a real big banger on Friday as well. So I'm going to keep it nice and sweet and short. I hope you guys really like the content. I want to ask you one question. So someone has been getting me to look at something called a fair value gap. Hit me with a 2 if you guys have ever heard of that. But I found a video from a channel called Secret Mindset. And it's pretty cool, guys. So, you know, I always want to promote good info. secret mindset. I like the fact that there was free indicators. So check it out. If any of you know, I would love to interview that person. But what I basically found was something kind of interesting. So if you go here and hit that plus right here, guys, get FVG. Oh, my bad. So this one, indicators, FVG. So there's this free indicator was on the stream, and I started to notice something here. It doesn't always work, but I started to notice when I line it up with my fibs, it seems to be pretty strong. So if I go ahead, let me just take this one off here. Okay. So as an example here, so this was our 618 on the gap down from high to low. And you can also see there's this fair value gap here. All right. So that's pretty interesting. I'm going to try to explore this and do some back testing and see what it can bring. But if you guys like it, you like this type of indicator, hit me with something in the chat or a comment below. And I'm going to try to do some more research on this and see what I can find. All right, guys, and see if we can combine it with some trading. It's basically a three-step candlestick pattern. All right. And you guys know I love candlestick patterns. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much. Send me some fire on the way out, and hopefully see you sometime this week again. We're going to do some updates as the market continues, and I really like spending time with you guys. Thank you very much. One thing I want to say on the way out is this. You know, a lot of people get nervous when the market is going down, and the key is to just understand how to take advantage of that. Okay, so if it does go down, guys, you have to be prepared. So either with some puts, with some futures, you can't always be just focusing in one direction. The whole point of being a trader is to also be able to flip on a dime, switch on a dime, and also to protect yourself with hedges. And I hope I can show you some of that. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out. Take care. Comment, like, subscribe.